Everyone and welcome to our channel Rama Classes. So as you all aware that today there is a test of economics chapter 1 and chapter 2. So first of all the best, and all the questions are taken from the past years MTPs, RTPs, previous years papers. So each and every particular question is very important for the exam point of view. तो अगर आप attempt नहीं कर रहे हो पेपर को, it's okay, but you have to once see all the questions and write it somewhere in your notes, so at least when you will going to appear the exam तो एक बार आपको देखने हैं सारे क्वेश्चंस. इट विल रियली हेल्पफुल टू यू एंड आपको पता चलेगा कि एंड एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो आप सबको कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखनी है आफ्टर रीडिंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. जब आपको पता चलेंगे कि सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस क्या हैं, तो आपको ये बताना है कमेंट सेक्शन में कि अकॉर्डिंग टू यू जो लेवल है वो पेपर का कैसा है. सो अगर आपको लगता है इजी है देन यू हैव टू कमेंट कि आप कैसा चाहते हो नेक्स्ट पेपर में. समवॉट हार्ड पेपर और थोड़ा मीडियम, या फिर हार्ड है तो थोड़ा सा मैं लो करूं, तो जैसा भी. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कमेंट जैसे होंगे तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं सेकंड पेपर जो होगा मेरा टेस्ट पेपर उस पर मैं लेवल डिसाइड करूंगी कि थोड़ा सा ईजियर रखना है या थोड़ा सा टफ रखना है. एंड इसके साथ साथ मैं जो हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल है उस पर भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा MCQs पोस्ट कर दूंगी. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, बट यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी पेपर का जो लेवल है वो इजी है, इतना हार्ड नहीं है, इजी है. इफ़ यू वंस अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा, अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा, देन यू विल बी डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू राइट ईच एंड एवरी आंसर. बट अगर आपको लेवल कैसा लग रहा है तो यू हैव टू राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Okay, and yeah, there are 25 questions, and each one particular MCQ it's contain 1 marks. That's a very normal thing. And yeah, that's it. All the best. Here's your all economics test paper. Question number 1 is the meaning of the word economics is closely connected with the word scarce, unlimited, restricted, wants. तो एक बार मैं आप फास्ट क्वेश्चंस को रीड कर रही हूँ, तो बाई चांस अगर आपको हैंड रिटन नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आप वर्ड्स के थ्रू समझ सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, pragmatic approach means realistic, practical, both A and B. Last option is none. Question number 3, dash explains the relationship between input and output. Cost theory, supply theory, demand theory, या फिर last option is production theory. Fourth one is dash also called as income theory. Option A, microeconomics, macroeconomics, positive economics, या फिर last option is normative economics. Question number 5 is utility is a dash concept and differ from person to person. Absolute, subjective, relative या objective. Question number 6 is marginal utility varies dash with the supply. Options are directly, inversely, simultaneously या फिर option D is none. Question number 7 is which of the following gives maximum consumer surplus? Option are car, TV, mobile या फिर wheat. Question number 8, dash is useful for designing government policies and implementing welfare programs. Options are law of diminishing return, consumer surplus, law of equimarginal utility या फिर income and substitution effect. Question number 9 is in case of necessary the marginal utility for first few items will be. Options are 0, high, infinite या फिर none. Question number 10 is every point on budget line represent dash spending by consumer. Options are over, under, full या फिर any. Question number 11 is the demand for factor of production is dash demand, fundamental, derived, market. Last one is joint. Question number 12 is market demand is also called option A producer demand, individual demand, industrial demand. Your last option D, that is household demand. Question number 13 is inferior goods are also called Giffen goods, Marcelin goods, Hickson Allen goods and normal. Last option is normal goods. Question number 14 is the law of demand is a dash statement, positive statement, normative statement, both या फिर none. Question number 15 is if there is a decrease in the prices of the product, the consumer real income. Options are increase, decrease, remain constant, and option D is nothing can be said. Question number 16 is conspicuous goods are also called. Options are necessary goods, prestige goods, given goods or basic goods. Question number 17 is increase in income levels of buyer lead to. Options are increase in demand, decrease in demand, expansion in demand. Your option D is contraction in demand. Question number 18 is Which item has highest price elasticity? Option A, salt. Option B, petrol. Option C, Indian oil petrol. And option D is rice. Question number 19 is services like air travel and movies have an income elasticity of options are more than 1, 0, less than 1, and option D is between 0 and 1. Question number 20, we can say that fresh milk in economic sense is an example of options are luxury goods, inferior goods, normal goods, or nothing can be said. Question number 21 is when supply is perfectly inelastic, elasticity of supply is equal to +1, 0, -1 या फिर infinity. Question number 22 is if increase in demand is equal to increase in supply, then the equilibrium price option A decrease, B increase, option C remains constant, या option D cannot say. Question number 23 dash refer to the quantity which is actually brought in the market. Options are demand, supply, stock या फिर sales. Question number 24 is goods having zero income elasticity are options inferior goods, normal goods, luxury goods या फिर option D is none. And last question is purchasing power of money fall when options are price level increases, price level decrease, income level increase, the option D is money supply falls. So here आपके सारे 25 questions खत्म होते हैं. All the best again, all the best for all your tests, and there are many more tests to come. Okay, so you all have to prepare and be updated with the channel. जितने भी informations होंगे सारे के सारे information सबसे पहले telegram channel पे ही आएंगे. So you all have to join first our 2 telegram channel, CA Foundation MCQ and drama classes. Okay, एंड आपको जो टेस्ट के आंसर्स हैं ये कोई भी ग्रुप में आपको सेंड नहीं करने. यू हैव टू सेंड पर्सनली टू JSR अकाउंट, एंड वहाँ पे मैं चेक करूँगी